New tool in the house. We have the Otacle P1. It's a plier head. Steel is made of 30 CR13. The handle is aluminum. And it weighs 2.96 ounces. So shout out to that. Nice and light. We don't even have to weigh her up, right? We'll take their word for it. If you'd like to pause, read that, your typical information. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Yeah. Rah. Rah. Yeah. All right, what do we have here? Let me get this out of the way so I don't cut myself. Okay, got some silica on deck. Shout out to the silica. And wow, first impressions, very small. Very, very tiny. Nothing here. We can file that off to the side as well as the box. All right, before I even open this, let me go get another tool so I can compare this to it. All right, let's get right into it. Yeah, it's tiny. Wow. First things first, it feels good. That aluminum feels pretty decent. It does feel solid. Up here, he says Otacle. Then you got the version P1. You can grab this on eBay or Amazon, and it's going for $24.99 with free shipping. Free shipping on eBay. I don't know about Amazon. Probably get you for the shipping. So just looking down the line, nice and smooth, nice and leveled. Let's get some comparisons going over here. You got the Victorinox Classic, and I also have here a Leatherman Micra. Actually, so Leatherman Micra is pretty close to it. Very nice. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Okay, that felt good. All right, let me do that again. Oh yeah, wow, very nice. I like that. Nice spring tension on here. Comes right back at you. Let's see the grip factor here. Let me look for something. How about a pencil, right? Shout out to a brand new pencil, Misfits. Check that out. Very hard to get these, and I'm about to do something stupid. Oh yeah, look at that. Crushed it. How about down here? Oh yeah, destroying it. Yeah, these things are strong. So with that, so far, I'm liking that. Okay, now the tools. Anything in here? Nope. How about here? No. Okay. Here. Wow. How do I open this? Okay. Here. Nice little Phillips style flat headed screwdriver. Here's a flathead. Nice click on there. Nice tension. Okay, that's that. Okay, so on this side, not sure how to open this. I think it's this way. So let me see. I gotta get used to that. Yeah, I guess it's over here. So this must be the scissors. Let me see how this works. Do I just press it? Yep. Okay, there we go. Scissors. Tiny. Let's see if they do something. They do something. They cut, but short strokes. They're very sharp. Not bad. This thing is a fingerprint magnet as well. So let me see. Gotta go like this, I think, and then go down. Okay, so this side all set. Now this one. So here you have your bottle opener, can opener combo. I like that design. It's different. Yeah, that's cool. All right. Yeah, it's nice. Less tension on this thing. But you don't need it because you're going to be going, what, upwards or downwards? Let me see. How would that work, right? yeah, you'd be pushing, you'd be going upwards and pressing down on it, so you wouldn't need, that wouldn't be a worry. Okay, and the other side is a knife, of course. First thing I look at is the grind line. So far, here, I like it. In here, it's all right. It's not even. Here is higher, shallower. With that being said, let's see how she cuts. Yeah, not that sharp. I'm really surprised. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. That's nothing. I can always sharpen it up. Okay, so that's that. So what is there to test, right? A little baby knife like this, okay, what's it gonna cut? It's only gonna cut so much. And what was this one again? Yeah, the can opener. You know, this is one tool that I'll never use. I don't drink alcohol. I don't even go to parties. And I avoid weddings. I would never use this. This is just in here. Maybe I could use the tip. I can even modify it to be a flathead screwdriver. I can do that. But I would not be using no can opener, no bottle opener, especially not the bottle opener. Maybe use the can opener on the pinch. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I usually use a knife to cut cans. All right, a couple of things that I failed to mention. I actually missed this. It was inside the box. I didn't see it, but it's your typical little manual, etc. But you can file that to the side. And also, in here, I just noticed that I missed a few tools as well. If you lift this up, right behind here, see that? That's a eyelet. So you could put it on a keychain or something. So that's that. And then on this side, right over there, see that right there? Little small pin. I guess that's good to get out your SIM card out of your phone and do a few other things with it. But that's it. That's what I forgot. All right, so with everything being said, I'm looking at it. The construction is looking good. It's tight. It doesn't wobble. The pliers are definitely a big bonus right here. All right, so final thoughts on this, man. I like it. I dig it. To me, it's a certified winner. For the price, you can't go wrong. What's $24.99 for a name brand company, Olight? This here is an Otacle P1. Okay? Look at that thing. Very nice. Same as the Leatherman Micron. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care.